Here's a 2012 Chrysler Town Country. With plenty of room to stretch out and pack things in, this luxurious and innovative Town & Country will become your home away from home. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: power liftgate, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Park View Park Assist, external memory control, Uconnect with Bluetooth, leather bucket seats, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive reports the Town & Country is a great vehicle for families that need to haul kids and cargo on a regular basis. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.